In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set background images in Outlook reading pane. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up Outlook. I'm just launching it here and waiting for my inbox to fully load. Once you're inside and you can see your emails, we're going to change the look of the reading pane by adjusting the appearance settings. So first, I'm heading up to the top right corner of the screen and clicking on Settings. That's the little gear icon. As soon as I click it, a settings panel slides out from the side. This is where we can control how Outlook looks and feels. Now inside the settings panel, I'm going to click on General. You should see that option listed in the menu. Once I select General, it opens up more categories related to layout and display options. From here, I'm clicking on Appearance. This section is where we can customize the theme and background styling of Outlook, including what shows in the reading pane area. Once I'm in Appearance, I can see different visual options available. At this point, I'm going to look for the color option. I'm clicking on color, and now I can see different color choices that I can apply. These colors affect the background styling and overall theme of the reading pane and interface. I'm going to select one of the available colors. As soon as I click on a color, I can see the preview update right away. The reading pane background changes to match the color I selected, so I get a clear idea of how it's going to look. If you don't like the first one you choose, you can click on another color and watch it update instantly. I'll just click through a couple so you can see how it changes, and then I'll stick with the one I prefer. Once that's done and I'm happy with the color choice, all that's left is to apply the change. So I'm going to click Save. As soon as I hit Save, the selected color is officially applied to the reading pane background. And that's it. We opened Outlook, went into Settings, clicked on General, selected Appearance, chose a color, and saved the change. Now the reading pane background reflects the color you selected, giving your Outlook a more personalized look.